Today I'm going to show you how to create a quote using Zoho CRM in n8n in a quick and simple way. This is a great automation if you want to save time, reduce manual work, and automatically generate quotes inside your CRM workflow without copying data around by hand. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical n8n tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside n8n. You can use an existing workflow or start from the one where you want this quote automation to run. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel on the left side. This is where you'll add the next action to your automation. From the Nodes panel, search for and choose Zoho CRM. When you select it, n8n will add the Zoho CRM node into your workflow canvas. This node is what lets you connect n8n with your Zoho account and work with CRM data directly. Next, in the operation settings, choose Create a Quote. This tells n8n exactly what action you want Zoho CRM to perform. Instead of updating a record or fetching data, this node will now be set up to create a new quote entry in Zoho CRM. After that, configure what to create. This is where you map the fields you want included in the quote, such as the relevant customer details, quote information, and any other values required by your workflow. Make sure the data you send is correctly matched to the right fields so the quote is created properly inside Zoho CRM. Once your setup is complete, your workflow is ready to generate quotes automatically whenever that node runs. This can be especially useful if you're building sales automations, lead workflows, or quote generation systems that need to move fast and stay accurate. And that's it. You've now created a quote using Zoho CRM in n8n. If this video helped you out, please remember to like this video and subscribe for more n8n automation tutorials, step-by-step guides, and workflow tips.